As our chairperson has mentioned that I'd like to development, and we lag far behind in terms of China or US in terms of the per capita energy consumption. And depending on what's our outlook in terms of 5% versus 10% economic development, in terms of the actual implementation of the energy access to every household in India, we may need somewhere around 400 to 900 gigawatt of new sort of missing gap in terms of the current supply mix and where the demand is expected over next 20 years. So there is no question that we have to look at all the available solutions. Luckily, we are blessed with both wind and solar. Already from 19 gigawatt, we are looking at possibly adding up to 30 gigawatt additional wind as per various projections in next 7 years. Similarly, with National Solar Mission, we have a target of getting 20 gigawatt of solar. So there are some significant challenges when we are looking at a power grid with significant amount of renewables which are particularly variable and not necessarily dispatchable as compared to the traditional generation. And on left, we have a sort of as an example, a chart which shows sort of a typical weekly load profile at a system level, and how if you have any amount of renewable generation which goes sort of typically beyond 10%, you are not going to have the renewable generation match exactly the daily profile of the load. And then when you are trying to dispatch the